losing when you're...
Hey everyone, how's it going? So here in the trunk of my Tesla Model Y, and this product I want to share with you if you're interested in ceramic coating, but you don't want to pay that $1,000 to $2,000 premium that outside will charge if they do it for you. So this kit actually allows you to do it yourself. If you're not familiar with ceramic coating, it's a UV and sunshine protection. It resists weather erosion, acid rain, graffiti, scratches, bird dropping, tree trunk, and so forth. But what I like about ceramic coating is it makes your vehicle easy to wash. So you really don't need to wash your car frequently either, because a lot of the dust, debris, grime will either just glide right off, rain, for example, versus if you don't have any protection on your vehicle. Now, the old days we used wax, then sealant became popular, and now ceramic coating is the king of all protection for your vehicle, including Tesla and other brands as well. You can use this for it. This does have a at least two year protection, then you have to reapply it. The best part about this armor shield is that you only need one coat. And if you purchase this kit, it comes with this nice bottle from Avalon King. This is a 30 ml, good for maybe 2 cars. And it has microfiber cloth as well as gloves. You have additional microfiber cloth underneath to apply the ceramic coating. So you place that cloth over this pad here, and you apply it to your vehicle, and you let it sit and bond over a week. It will solidify, and you have ceramic coat your vehicle. I also have a car shampoo, so maintaining the ceramic coating, you want to use their ceramic coating shampoo, nothing harsh that will damage the ceramic coating or reduce the warranty of 2 years. And then we also got the prep shampoo. So before you apply the ceramic coating, you want to prep the car, get any of the grime, grease, wax, or previous sealant that was placed on your vehicle that Tesla may have. Wash it with this prep shampoo, and then apply the ceramic coating with this armor shield 1X. And then next time when you wash it, a couple weeks later, you can use their Avalon shampoo. So we'll be showing you not the whole process on how to do it. There's a lot of videos out there, but we'll show you the aftermath of how it reacts to the elements such as water, dust, and grime, and we'll show you the results after this video once we install it. So right now we only have PPF, so there's no ceramic coating right now. We actually stripped down the previous ceramic coating to put the PPF on. So even with the PPF, it already has that shine, but it doesn't have that sleekiness of getting, debris off. So the water that you spray on here will just either stick on here if there's a lot of calcium, and then if you don't wash it off right away, it permanently can be on there until you wash it next time. But with ceramic coating, everything just beats right off. And we'll show that in a brief moment. Okay, so I put 1 coat of Armor Shield 9 1X. So this is the nano ceramic coating. Should last at least 2 years, but if you maintain it with their soap solution when you wash the car, should last longer than that, 3, maybe 4 years, depending if you park inside, outside, and if you live in harsh environment or not. But this is after 24 hours of curing, and just slides right off. So this is how all the dust, water will beat, easily washable, and it just glides off. So it didn't do this before. Now it's slick and clean. And this is how it looks like. It gives that extra shine, and it will stay this way a lot longer if you didn't have ceramic coating. So check them out, link in the description. Make sure if you want to do it yourself, follow their tutorial. I'll also link it in the description on how to apply ceramic coating and also how to prep it. So thanks for watching. Remember to subscribe. Catch you all next time.